This is Lucky's Noble Barbecue Noble Wagyu Delmonico Roast. Simply take it from the refrigerator in the cryovac packaging, place it into your slow cooker at 165 to 170 degrees for 12 hours. At 165 to 170 degrees, the high omega fat and connective tissues will melt into the meat and it will become fork tender and absolutely delicious. Once it's done, simply remove it from the slow cooker. Remove it from the cryovacking. With a sharp knife. And it's ready to slice and serve. The Delmonico roast is the forward section of the ribeye muscle, which falls within the chuck classification, along with two smaller muscles, the Denver and Sierra cuts. So as you slice it, you can see the different muscle structure within it. But the slow cooking turns it all to fork tender with absolutely little trimming whatsoever. Place it on the plate. We're serving it with our high protein macaroni and too much cheese, a little bit of magic dust, a little chives for color, and you have Lucky's Delmonico Roast.